Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. In this channel, I talk about everything. I cook, I eat, and here I have some food in front of me. I started intermittent fasting and I eat around 5 p.m. Now it's about 6 p.m. I haven't eaten all day, but intermittent fasting does work. So I have lehata here with limidi, corn and beans, some egg, kale, some cod. I will be putting up a video sometime next week to show you how I made this delicious cod. And then I have avocado and yams. Yes, when you eat once a day, you eat all at one time. And then I have a drink here, which is ginger drink. I made it from fresh ginger with hibiscus tea. So I will show you that one at a separate video actually. So one thing I wanted to mention while I'm eating my food here is to mention that we're so honored to have the President of Botswana visit us at the Embassy of Washington, D.C. to come and talk to all the people. We're honored to have him come to Washington, where we met with him and he explained a bit of what he's all about. So I'm excited to share a little bit about our new president, Gideon Boko, born in Mahalape, Botswana. He was a human rights lawyer and politician, but President Boko took office as the president of Botswana in 2024. His election marked a historic moment, ending the long-standing role of Botswana Democratic Party, which had governed since the government gained independence from Great Britain in 1966. This is truly monumental shift in Botswana's political landscape. Yes. Okay, enough of my talking. I'm gonna eat and show you the videos.
It's important for that to happen, that we are close to each other and that we can talk to each other, and that we can advise each other. That is absolutely essential. And I recognize each and every one of you here today and appreciate you for belonging to that great republic of ours. He spoke of the American dream. What is the American dream? It's about some pride in something, whatever it is. You've been psyched up to feel that there's something, some lofty vision that you must aspire to be part of. And I exhort you today to focus on a different dream, the dream of Botswana. We all come from there. We all were raised there. Those people that you left behind sacrificed immensely. That some of us could go to school, that we could attend some of the best institutions in the world. They sacrificed. At the very least, we owe them a debt of gratitude if there's nothing else that we can give them. But I think we must impress upon ourselves that we owe them more than just gratitude.
You want to be able to see the bottom.
We owe them some action.
But it's a beautiful outfit.
We owe them.
So on another note, Botswana also
concrete deliverables to shape their country.
This cod is good.
Redefine their lived reality.
Before you finish watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see the videos that I drop every week. I know there's some Botswana here who don't know how to cook porridge, right? Who are overseas. You can see that. So how to cook porridge, how to cook lehata, how to cook dumplings. This is corn and beans. So we ate this a lot when we were younger. You can actually eat this by itself. So, in another note, Botswana is also a home to some incredibly talented, beautiful women. Just take a look of one of them over there. Take a look at this stunning lady.
Sorry, it's DJ. Sorry, it's DJ.
She was second on the line. Beautiful, talented. Beautiful model, right? Look at how she walks. And let's not forget about the fashion now. Botswana boasts some of the best designers, and that outfit is rocking. That outfit she's rocking is simply on point. Who is ready to order? Well, I will probably find out exactly who the designer is. What she's rocking there is made by a different designer. This one was made a different designer. Again, I'll probably put all the information in the description below. Don't forget, that's where I'll be putting it. Because I eat once a day, I eat everything here, or at least I try, because as days go by, for some reason, your stomach kind of shrinks and you eat less and less. So before I could be eating this real fast, but now I do manage. But before that, I drink a lot of water. And then one thing I discovered lately that will really keep you full or lessen your appetite is to drink warm water with turmeric. Warm water with turmeric, lemon, cinnamon, and yeah, you drink that, I tell you, it's true, it holds you up. And you know, here is the kick. This is fresh ginger. So anyway,
what can we do for our country? Do you have any skill or expertise? Do you think that skill is needed back home? We're trying to digitize rapidly because it's a pivot point for the economy. Without it, we will not create the necessary efficiencies in our economy to drive that economy, to power it to the next level. We will not be able to efficiently deliver services to our people. We will not create an investment climate that can attract efficiency-seeking foreign direct investment. So we need to create these efficiencies in our economy. We need to digitize expeditiously. That's what we face. Do you have skills in those respects? If you do, those skills are desperately needed back home.
all right. Thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe after watching. Comment is very important. It really helps boost my videos or my whole YouTube channel. Thank you for those who already subscribed. And after subscribing, don't forget to push that notification bell so that when I post something, you get the notification. Again, thanks for watching Gino's Creative Cooking.